Good morning vlog. I hope that you guys are doing so well. So I did not upload last week because I didn't have anything to put up, so I'm sorry about that, but we're getting started this week. Today is Monday and I'm getting ready to drive to go back home to see my sister. While I'm there, I'm also going to get my hair done. We're going to be shopping for dresses online today. So I will tell you right now, the dress shopping for my wedding has been something I have been very nervous about from the moment Jacob proposed to me. I was like, I don't want to have a lot of people in the go try on dresses with me. Like, you're supposed to go with your bridal party. I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to do my sister and my niece because if you don't know, I'm in a wheelchair full time, that thing back there, and I knew that trying on dresses was going to be hard because of that, but I also am a plus size lady and I didn't want it to be challenging to try on dresses with being disabled and plus size. I just thought it was going to be a very mentally emotional, draining day. So I told my sister that I wanted to shop online because I have a very low budget for a wedding dress. It's like $200. I want to spend no more than $200. That is a lot of money to me, but I'm not spending a lot of money on a dress because I'm only going to wear it one time. I'm not a dress person, as you guys can tell. That's how I look most days, and I'm not going to spend a lot of money on it. So I'm gonna shop online with her, get some ideas of what we want, and maybe, depending on what we find today, purchase a dress, which is really exciting. And then I'm gonna be coloring my hair. I have been light for quite some time, and don't get me wrong, I love having blonde hair. I feel like I am allowed to be more flexible when I have blonde hair because it's so versatile, but I have been itching for some change. So I decided I'm going to do something different. I sent the lady that does my hair a bunch of random things. I told her that I'm feeling blue, I'm feeling pink, I'm feeling peachy, I'm feeling yellow, I'm feeling all kinds of things. So I'm gonna let her have her way with me and we'll find out what I'm getting. I have no idea what I'm doing going into this, but I do know that my hair needs cut and my eyebrows need waxed. And I'm just really excited to have a day of pampering and spending time with my sister because I haven't got to see her in a very, very long time. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, of course, and I'm super excited. So let's get into this vlog. Now, I know I shouldn't eat out, but I'm driving 2 hours and I need something to drink while I'm driving. So I stopped at McDonald's and I'm gonna pick up some breakfast. I got like a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, and I'm just waiting for that now. Went yellow. I didn't want something bold because last time I had yellow it was like a neon color, so this time we just did something very basic, and I think next time I come in I'm gonna change it up a little bit too. But I came in having no idea what I was doing and I absolutely love this. After getting my hair done, my sister and I went back to her house and started looking for dresses. We ended up finding and purchasing my wedding dress, which is really exciting. That's the only thing that I can mark off my to-do list, but this is just a video clip of us trying to figure out what exactly we were looking for. Going into this, I kind of knew what I was wanting, but we just kind of narrowed it down between two, and then we let my niece pick her favorite, and she ended up picking the one that we both liked the most. So super exciting about that. Meet Inky, guys. This is my nephew. Look how fluffy he is. Little fluffy guy. I'm teaching my sister how to use Instagram for her business and she's killing me. She's doing really well. I missed the funny parts. So we just purchased my wedding dress. My lovely sister is the best, and Ollie back there helped me pick it out. She did her makeup today. She looks like a mom who hasn't had sleep in literally a week. It's beautiful. I love your self-expression. Copyrighted music over it, so my sister is just dancing to my singing voice right now. Just dancing to my singing voice. would you like to explain your masterpiece here?
That's pink, that's teal, and then I put it on lipstick, and then I put it on blush.
What about this pierced wrist thing?
Bracelet.
Oh, I got one on both hands. And a Visco Girl scrunchie. She gave me this rosary beads, whatever this is. This is the finished product. She put yellow on that side of my nose, orange on this side of my nose. How are you feeling? Good? She feels good about it. There's enough lipstick. Like, do you see that? It's like built up. Okay, so I got home about 30 minutes ago. I wrapped up Etsy product packaging. Someone bought 3 stickers, so I'm sending those out tomorrow along with my first international order. So I just packaged that up for you guys, threw my hair up, took off the beautiful makeup that Ollie did for me. Now I think I'm gonna get ready for bed because it's about 11 o'clock and I'm so tired. It's been a very long day, a very good day. We've got a lot of stuff done and I'm so glad I got to go see my sister, but I'm ready for bed. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off the vlog here. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe. If you guys didn't know, I do have an Etsy store. I will leave that linked in the description box below, but I'm going to be doing a full video on it very shortly whenever I make the time to sit down and do a full video on it. But you can get your own lemon package if you order from my Etsy shop. So that information will be linked in the description box below. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.